Hey guys, Mason here, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm driving the class 365 from Stepford Central to Whitefield, as you can see from here. It's got 8 stops: Stepford Central, Stepford East, Stepford High Street, Whitefield, Lido. Oh, I didn't say Stepford USC, did I? Is that after? Oh, I don't know. Whitefield, Lido. Oh, I don't know. You'll see the thing, I think. I don't know. The woman that does the announcements will say it. You can listen to it. One thing, do not count Houghton Rake as a stop on this thingy, because honestly I did accidentally skip it because I am a daydreamer, and I may or may not have daydreamed and realised, oh, I need to stop, and then yeah, I didn't stop in time. Like, the back carriage was the only one on, and the doors wouldn't even open, so I had to move on to the last station, Whitefield. I am doing this without any commentary, just to say. So yeah, anyway, let's teleport to Stepford Central then.
Connect service to Whitefield. Calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Houghton Rake, and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. We will be calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Houghton Rake, and Whitefield. The next station is Stepford East. Be arriving at Stepford East. Change here for services to Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Houghton Rake and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Stepford East. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is High Street. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. The next station is High Street. For services to Beachley, Berrily. Shortly be arriving at High Street. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Houghton Rake and Whitefield. This This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is High Street. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is Whitefield Lido. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. We will shortly be arriving at Whitefield Lido. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Whitefield. Calling at Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Houghton Rake, and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Whitefield Lido. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is Stepford UFC. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. The next station is Stepford UFC. Shortly be arriving at Stepford UFC. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Calling at Woodhead Lane, Houghton Rake, and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Stepford UFC. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is Woodhead Lane. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. The next station is Woodhead Lane. Will shortly be arriving at Woodhead Lane. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Connect, service to Whitefield. Calling at Houghton Rake and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Woodhead Lane. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is Houghton Rake.
Platform 2 for the 1606 Stepford Connect, service to Stepford Central. Calling out Stepford UFC, Whitefield Lido, High Street, Stepford East, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. The next station is Houghton Rake. Will shortly be arriving at Houghton Rake. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Platform 1 for the 1606 Stepford Connect, service to Whitefield. Calling at Whitefield.
Be arriving at Whitefield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Whitefield. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Well, I may have overshot a Houghton Rake, I think it was. That was my fault, not the brakes, but I mean, it kind of was also the brakes' fault, because, yeah, it takes a while for it to actually start braking. I was a bit in a daydream moment, and I didn't realise that Houghton Rake was that close. But literally, yeah, I just daydreamed, and then I overshot the platform. I thought I wouldn't overshoot it that much, but, yeah. Anyway, I guess you're not going to see me stopping at Houghton Rake then. But, at least there's something else to put on the thumbnail. Anyway, that's all gonna be for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I mean, yeah, the happy train isn't that happy anymore after it's non-stop at Houghton Rake. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video. Bye bye.